Begin by unplugging the cables from the motherboard and remove the cooling fan above the CPU socket. Unplug the cable that is connected to the power supply. And next, you have to unscrew the power supply to remove it from the case. You need to organize the screws in the computer screws assortment kit. To remove the power supply from the case, you have to lift it up. So now the power supply is removed. We have to work on the motherboard. To begin, you have to unscrew the motherboard so you will able to remove it from the case. Also, unplug the remaining cables. After that, if the motherboard is already removed from the case, you have to unlock the CPU socket so it will be removed from the motherboard.
Now that my partner has severed all the components, it's now time to reassemble. First, add the CPU. Be sure it is from the right orientation. It fits seamlessly. Close the socket and into the next step. Time to assemble the fan and the heatsink. Gently screw the heatsink into the board. Then install the power supply into the unit. Don't forget the screws to hold it in place. plug all the cables into the following socket of the motherboard. At last, it's time to install the hard disk. Connect the SATA cables